वही पे जाओ, ये पे यहाँ इस तरह
मैडम उधर उधर भाई यहाँ पे भाई हमारा जो ऑनर है
हमें थोड़ा लेफ्ट में
एक वॉचमैन भाई थोड़ा सा आप हमारा जी बड़े आपके सामने यहाँ पर हमारा जी यहाँ पर देगा हमारा जी ऑन लेफ्ट सेंटर में हमारा जी आपके लेफ्ट सेंटर हमारा ऑन लेफ्ट भीतर में बेस सेंटर बारी की तरफ मैडम इधर देखो हमारा जी
जी चलो कट
You guys are ready, right?
Yeah.
So firstly, a very good afternoon to both of you and good to see you guys. Lovely song. I saw yesterday night I was saying the song. काफी amazing लगा मुझे.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Both of you, your chemistry is looking good. And the first picture, I
तेरे
really
बिना.
love it. Yeah. I really love that picture. Tell us something about. It's been more than 8 days. The song is
Yes.
came out. Tell us about the response.
Thank you so much for your question, sir. So firstly, Tere Bina was my debut song as a singer. Before that, मैंने काफ़ी songs as a producer release किए थे, and the song of course did so well, and I was so blessed to have such a strong debut, and people really liked us on screen, and I thought एक time पे I'll do one more song with Amira, and after Tere Bina we were in touch on Insta, and I was like, I have a song coming, and finally the song is done. And yeah, we're very happy with the reaction. I think people love watching us on screen. The song itself is doing very well. People are really liking the audio as well. So yeah, I'm really happy.
अमरा आप क्या कहना चाहोगे लोगों की तरफ से रिस्पांस दूसरा गाना है केमिस्ट्री पहले गाने दूसरे गाने में सेम ही लगी काफी अमेजिंग लगती है
सेकंड वीडियो में इन्होंने रुलाया मेरे को
वो चर्चा करेंगे हम बट पहले रिस्पांस
रिस्पॉन्स के बारे में मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. आई मीन जब आप एक नए सॉन्ग कुछ भी ला रहे हैं ऑडियंस के सामने, व्हेन दी ऑडियंस इज रिस्पॉन्स इज सो पॉजिटिव, तो ऑब्वियसली कोई ना कोई तो खुश होंगे. बट या फ्रॉम तेरे बिना टू नाउ आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ अस हैव ग्रोन अप ऑल्सो, बिकॉज तेरे बिना के टाइम पे हम दोनों बच्चे ही थे, एंड नाउ आई फील लाइक वी बिकम यंग अडल्ट्स. सो इवन दैट आई थॉट इट वाज रियली cool the way Zayden sort of captured that, and the way that our director also captured the fact that, you know, now we are older, things have changed, and yeah the song shows it really well.
Yeah.
टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टोरी आपकी मैं बात करूँ तो जो लव वंस रहते हैं उसके लिए काफ़ी प्यार है. पूरी स्टोरी की मैं बात करूँ एंड देयर वाज वन सीन द हडल जहाँ पे आप आते हो देन ये पीछे रह जाती है. टेल अस अबाउट द कंप्लीट स्टोरी, हाउ वाज द स्टोरी वाज क्रिएटेड.
So the thought behind Jana. So Jana is, by the way, the first song. Usually I come up with different kind of melodies. Those melodies turn into a voice notes into words, and words into a song. That's like my process. I'm sure every artist has a different process, but for Jana, it was just the thought of fighting for love, which really, you know, struck me in a different way. And I was like, I really want to capture something, and I want to express my way around this thought. And there's so many distractions out there, you know. For some people it could be Insta itself, you know, spending ridiculous amount of time on Insta. For some people it's fame, money, different kind of things. But yeah, I believe that if you have love in your life, it could be a person, it could be something that you're truly passionate about. It's really worth fighting for, and that's Jana expressed in my way.
मैं बात करूँ आपकी तो आपकी वेब सीरीज भी आ रही है इन्फ्लुएंसर.
वेब सीरीज नहीं, फिल्म आई थी,
मेरे टीवी पे आ रही है.
आ गई बाबू, आ गई.
कहीं ना कहीं लोगों का ये भी कहना है कि करीना कपूर का झलक दिख रहा है उसमें.
अच्छा,
हाँ जी, उस पे क्या कहना चाहोगे?
किरदार का नाम भी करीना है, सो दैट्स एक्चुअली रियली कूल. नहीं, आई थिंक इफ़ यू सी इन्फ्लुएंसर आपको भी लगेगा ये करीना बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. आई थिंक आज के दिन पे इट्स वेरी रेलिवेंट क्योंकि यू नो एंड आई थिंक अ लॉट लाइक जाना हम करियर पे इतने फोकस्ड रहते हैं कि हम बाहर की दुनिया के बारे में हम भूल जाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक इन टुडेज टाइम इट्स वेरी इजी टू फॉरगेट द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड एंड बी इन सोशल मीडिया या तो इंस्टाग्राम पे, फेसबुक पे एंड जस्ट लिव थ्रू योर कंप्यूटर या योर फोन. So I think that's what the film tries to embody and to show you that sometimes maybe social media, maybe everything that you see in your little bubble is not worth it. So yeah.
As you mentioned about the social media, I really love your Instagram account.
thank you.
I follow you and I always see your social media.
Same, maybe.
काफी अमेजिंग तस्वीरें वो डालते हैं, वीडियोस डालते हैं, रील्स डालते हैं. बट इसकी जो ये गाने की पहली झलक थी, and now how the response from the social media point of view?
I think social media आज rule ही करते हैं. I mean, there's nothing bigger than social media today. You want something, everything is available on your phone. So now seeing things, even promoting things, we have to promote on social media, and I think that's amazing. And I want to see how much it can grow, and I want to see how much more international it can make things, because of social media today, you will see somebody who's listening to probably Jana in Russia or a UK, and I think that's a beautiful thing.
And मैं बात करूँ कमेंट सेक्शन की, एक कमेंट आया था कि आजकल की जो कपल है इतने झगड़ते क्यों?
अरे मैंने वो नहीं पढ़ा, I'm sorry.
उनको बोलो तेरे बिना देखे, तेरे बिना में कोई लड़ाई नहीं है.
उन्होंने कमेंट किया था कितना फनी हो जाता है. डू यू एवर फाइट विद योर लव वंस?
Of course.
कैसी होती है और कौन?
Yeah, I genuinely believe that all the low points in your life, they make you really strong. I think Shah Rukh Khan in one of his interviews, he said that the weaker you are, the stronger you can get. So I think these low points are very important, and fights are also very important.
Yeah.
And that's something that I've been through myself, and that's what I wanted to show in Jana. It's not just about the happy moments and the high life. It's important to show the real life struggles as well, and I think people really relate to that. And just not the comments, like for me the best part is when people sing along to a song at the shows, and that's what's been happening with Jana. In fact, even before the song released, when I was singing the first chorus, by the third chorus people were already singing it, so that's always a good sign.
Then Amara, what would you like to say about the same question?
मैं तो लड़ाकू हूँ, सो लाइक मैं तो सबके साथ लड़ती हूँ. आई थिंक लाइक अगर एक दिन जाएगा और मैं ना लड़ूंगी किसी के साथ ना, मुझे कुछ लाइक आई डोंट नो, आई गेट एंग्जाइटी. सो लाइक आई हैव टू फाइट. आई लाइक फाइटिंग. I think fighting is very healthy in a relationship, with anyone, be it your boyfriend, your best friend. I don't know, I feel like it shows you care.
In the editing part, and especially the design part, the selection of clothes, I really loved it. The red one you are wearing, it's looking very good. The picture you have taken, if you see in the deeply way, the picture is just when you see. I saw the red one, your jacket and all. The designing part, it's works
Styling,
so well.
Yeah.
जो designing part, can tell us something about it.
Sir, I've styled myself. मेरे पास stylist नहीं था इस वीडियो पे. And honestly, it was easy for me because I was trying to show my life, what I've lived 4 years back before I was even into singing, and now how life has changed, all thanks to the people who've made me come so far. So I think it was fairly easy for me to style myself. बाकी मैम तो हर कुछ भी पहन लो उसमें अच्छी लगती है.
But tell
सही
us
बात
something
है,
about
वो
the
भी.
designing part of the clothes selection.
I think styling is very, very important, and I know my style was also like sort of based upon what you were wearing, because that color combination, वो सब, I mean, फर्क तो पड़ता है. You can see it in the work. So yeah, I had a stylist. I always have a stylist क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा सोच नहीं सकती कपड़ों के बारे में, सच में. मैं मेरे काम पे ध्यान देती हूँ और कुछ नहीं. And yeah, I have a very good team, very good people, and all the credit goes to them.
To be very honest, your team is doing very well.
Thank you. I'm proud of my team. She's not even here. देखो जब
She's somewhere around.
Yeah, she's gone. My manager.
She's there.
कुछ अच्छे बोलती हूँ तो उन लोग है ही नहीं सुनने के लिए.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है,
Yes, sir.
11 सॉन्ग के 2 मिलियन से भी ज़्यादा व्यूज जा चुके हैं इतने कम टाइम में.
Oh, I didn't know.
ये इतना प्यारा कॉन्सेप्ट आया कहाँ से आपके मन में?
So whenever I'm working on a song now, मैं try करता हूँ कि there should be something for the audience as well. Yes, of course, as an artist, it's very important for me to express myself through my songs. But when people are singing back my songs to me, that is the best feeling for me as an artist. And I'm sure there's so many artists out there who feel the same. You know, people singing back your songs to use the best feeling ever. And ऐसा कुछ specifically कुछ different concept नहीं था, but at the same time it was just the thought, as I mentioned, the first question. For the first time, a thought turned into a song. It wasn't just the melodies. So that entire process was very inspiring for me, and I want to use that process for the songs to come as well.
And I have seen many singers who do acting, and मैं सभी सिंगर को एक सवाल जरूर पूछता हूँ, कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है एक गाने में वो गाना गाना एंड कोई गाने में एक्टिंग करना, कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. काफी लोग का अमेजिंग रिस्पॉन्स है.
When you have a nice co-star, na,
Yeah, I
acting
was
is
about to
very
say that.
easy. I'm telling you.
And to have,
So she really helped me with this video, because I think Tere Bina and the other videos I've done, उसमें mostly performance takes थे and ज़्यादा इतना कुछ strong acting नहीं था. But in Jana, there were like many more emotions involved, and Amara was the best co-actor to work with. I was so nervous before that crying take. I literally had to cry on command. But she, gave me some tips, and that really helped. And that take was done in, I think, 2 takes.
Yeah.
okay, so lastly, few lines from you.
I think you should sing.
I would need my.
No, I don't have to sing. I don't have to sing.
I would need my guitar.
जब
Do we have
singer
the
आए
guitar?
हैं,
But
मतलब
आप-
Do we have the guitar?
ऐसे बेइज्जती नहीं कर सकते हैं ना
Give
singer
us
के
2 minutes. I'm
साथ.
just getting my guitar.
Yeah, sure, we'll pause it.
Amira will also sing. Don't worry.
हाँ.
Okay, Amira, ready?
You have to sing.
Yeah, she has to sing. I'll sing only if Amira sings today.
God.
Amira, do you know the words?
अब देखो ना.
Okay. चले जहाँ हम बेहिसाब, तेरा मेरा ये अफसाना, तू आके बोल लफ्ज़ों को तोलना, दिल की खोज में मैं तुझे ही चाह मेरी जाना, आना ओ दिल में समा जा, आजा आना, तू ना जाने कब से यादें बरसे.
See, I clapped also.
Thank you so much, guys.
Fantastic.
And the first song also.
फर्स्ट सॉन्ग यार, उसका तो मैं भी कॉर्ड्स भूल गया हूँगा.
Say on the spot ऐसे.
मैं हूँ तेरी आँखों में, तेरी मेरी राहों में, एक पल भी ना हो फासला. अब देखूँ ना आए जो अब कोई सुबह तेरे बिना, और चाहूँ ना हो सच कोई ख्वाब मेरा तेरे बिना.
Super.
Thank
Yeah,
you
I
so
sang
much.
2 words also. Yeah, guys. Nobody said so.
I always mess up the
Thank you so
But yeah.
much, guys, and all the best for upcoming.
Thank you
Thank
so much for
you.
having us. Means a lot. Thank you.